Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today's topic, these 12 stocks likely to appreciate question mark. Indian stock markets have rallied significantly from the lows of March 2020 seen during the first wave of corona. Nifty has more than doubled from the low of around 7,500 and many individual stocks have multiplied between 2 to 4 times. However, after the recent fall in stock markets, the valuation of many companies are below their COVID levels. When P/E ratio of March 2020 of certain companies are compared to the current P/E ratio, we can observe how the price has not kept pace with the increase in profits of the company. Now, example of fall in P/E ratio compared to the level during COVID crash. P/E ratio in March 2020, for example, was 38.6. Current P/E ratio, for example, is 32.9, but the price has not appreciated. P/E ratio means stock price divided by earnings per share. The reason that the P/E ratio falls in spite of the raise in stock price is because the earning per share would have increased more than stock price. This means that the net profit of the company has gone up well in the last 2 years since 2020. We have compiled a small list of stocks whose current P/E ratio is lower than in March 2020. It will be a good aspect to research and understand why this has happened. For example, these 12 stocks, here is a list. First one, Divis Lab, P/E ratio in March 2020, 38.6, approximate price in March 2020, 1,863, P/E ratio in July 2022, 32.9, and approximate price in July 2022, 3,671. Axis Bank 20.1 and price March 2020 360, P/E ratio 14.6 now and approximate price 669. BPCL 7.7 is a P/E ratio March 2020, approximate price that time 259, now P/E ratio 6.5 and approximate price is 325. I will skip the explanation of some of the stocks in order to save time from this video. I am going to Kotak Bank. 36.2 is a P/E ratio in March 2020. At that time the price was 1399. Today's P/E ratio 28.6 and approximate price July 2022 1745. Now going to Shree Cement. P/E ratio in March 2020 46.3 and approximate price was 17,666. Now P/E ratio in July 2022 31, but the approximate price in July 2022 is 19,933. Now going to Ultratech Cement. 23.9 was the P/E ratio in March 2020. At that time the price was 3144 and the P/E ratio now is 23 and approximate price in July 2022 is 5,839. That means all these 12 stocks are quoting less price now. It can go up anytime. This is a research we have done, and our sincere suggestion for the viewers of this channel is you too do the same kind of research and find out those stocks, keep a tab on those stocks, find out whether that is going to appreciate in the future, and in the future after a few years when you do the same kind of calculation, you are sure that your experiment and research is really true. Tomorrow 11th July, Monday at 9:15 p.m. in Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel that we popularly called as Channel 1. Live question answer session is there for all channel members, and you can type your questions between 9 and 9:15 p.m. to be able to be answered tomorrow itself. Finally, at the end of this video, for our survey, we have a question. Which website you use regularly for stock market research? If you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to everybody you know, and video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.